Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of the Farmer's Farm, and today I am going to build a plant box. So basically, those home gardeners who want to learn how to build a plant box, I am going to demonstrate the entire process today. So basically, a plant box can be used to grow your vegetables, right? And basically you can make it at any dimensions you want, right? But for today's video, I'm going to use the dimensions 4 by 2. So we are going to make it 4 feet in length and 2 feet in width, right? So let me show you the materials that I have that I'm going to use today. So we have our hammer, we have a square and a level in one, and we have our tape measure, right? We have nails. Basically these are 4-inch nails and 3-inch nails, right? And we have a rotary saw, basically to cut the board, right? And we have the board itself. So please just enjoy the video, and I hope you get a lot of knowledge from this so you can go for it and build your own plant boxes. So let us proceed to start building the boxes. So this is basically the 4 feet length. Here is 2 feet, and basically this will be the short side of the box. Alright, so folks, we are ready to start nailing. Let me explain something. Because the lumber is so thick, I'm not going to bother putting any blocks then or brace at the corners to nail the board on. I'm just going to go ahead and basically nail these on top of each other, basically like that. So just nail the nail in because it is thick enough, right? Usually when the board is thin, I usually put a piece of block in here, right, to nail the board on, right? But I'm not going to do that because they are thick. So let's proceed to start nailing up the boxes, right? you cannot make a plant box by yourself, if you cannot manage to make one, then you know, get a friend or someone to build it. Because if it is that you are serious about gardening, you know, making a couple plant boxes can carry you a far way in terms of growing your own vegetables for your own kitchen purpose, and you know, sharing some with the neighbors and so on and so forth. So basically, I have some more boxes to make, but I'm going to end the video here. I think you have seen, you know, plant boxes, and basically these boxes are 4 feet by 2 feet, and yeah, these are ready to go in the wherever you want to put them, in your backyard, wherever you want to make your garden. These are ready to be placed and filled with soil and so on and so forth. As you can see, these are the finished boxes, right? Right, there they are. Finish. There they are. We have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes. We build 8 boxes. 8 boxes, 4 feet by 2. Thank you for viewing. Please remember to subscribe. You can get beautiful demonstration videos like this to help with your home garden. So remember, knowledge is power. Subscribe to the channel. I'm out.